Hi!
Today po, we're unboxing po a new CD.
Ito yung 8-8 hole ni Gabe. Open natin para malaro na namin. Ayan, sealed. Ay, ganda.
Wow.
Protected siya. Bago lang to eh.
Yes.
Bagong release lang. Tapos, nung 8-8, yung presyo niya para ang bumili lang ng second hand.
Yeah.
This is for Gabe. Yun.
Yes.
Here you go, nak.
Thank you.
Yun o.
This
What's
is
that?
the Marvel Tokon Fighting
Souls.
Souls.
Yan. Para siyang,
Marvel versus Capcom.
yes. And, yung design niya, anime style.
Yes.
Nahihilig si Gabe kasi sa fighting games.
Also po,
Gando.
this is 4B4.
Yes. Pero, one lang yung,
Health bar.
yes. And gando. Ganda ng artwork.
Spider-Man.
Tapos ito yung likod. Check natin yung CD.
So satisfying.
On.
Let's open it.
Oy, ganda. Tapos back to back yung artwork. Install na namin. Tapos lalaroin na namin.
Yes.
That's all.
Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more. I'm already doing combos.